Hello viewers, let's use the question that we have on the board to learn how to solve mathematics inequality. Okay, and when you look at this question, you will observe that we have a fraction. Since there is a fraction here, I will make all the variables to be in fraction form. That is 1 over 1 minus 2x over 1 less than minus 1 over 3. So next thing that I will do now is I will find the LCM of all the variables inclusive of the inequality sign, which is the LCM of 1, 1 and the what 3. And the LCM is 3. So next thing that I will do now is this. I will start dividing. 3 divided by 1 will give us what? 3. 3 times 1 will give us 3. Minus 3 divided by 1 will give us 3. 3 times the numerator, which is 2x. It will give us what? 6x. I will do the same thing the other side, which is 3 divided by 3 will give us what? 1. 1 times minus 1 will give us minus 1. Okay, now remember that I find the LCM inclusive of the inequality sign. So what I will do now is this. I will throw away the what? The 3, which is what? The LCM. We will now have 3 minus 6x less than minus 1. So next thing that I will do now is I will collect the like terms. Okay, when I do, we will have minus 6x less than minus 1. When this invisible plus 3 crosses the equality sign, the sign will change to minus. We will now have minus what? Minus 3, which is minus 6x is less than minus 1 minus 3 will give us minus 4. So next thing that I will do now is I will divide both sides by the coefficient of what? Of x. And the coefficient of x has a negative sign, meaning that it will affect the inequality sign that we have here. So instead of less than, we will now have greater than. Okay, so what we will have at the left hand side is what? Minus 6x over the coefficient, which is what? Minus 6, is greater than minus 4 over minus 6. This inequality sign changed because the coefficient, what we are using to divide, has a negative sign. Okay, so next thing that I will do now, this minus 6 will cancel out. We will now have x greater than, the negative sign will cancel out. We are left with what? 4 over 6. And when you reduce it to the lowest term, we will have 2 over what? Over 3. So the answer to this question is x greater than 2 over 3. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.